Miguel of shout out everyone. I just want to congratulate Team Batya for your anniversary. I wish and pray that this community will grow more and more with, of course, with the guidance of our Almighty God. Congratulations to all of you, and may you will succeed in your journey here in YouTube. So let's continue to support and spread love to everyone, and I wish you all the best and congratulations and more success in the future, more subscribers, and what else? What do you call this one? Continue to grow in your channel, and I wish that you enjoy doing this YouTube. So once again, congratulations. It's from Kuya Mark from Team Praise and Worship Ministry. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nagpupuri, diriwang ang lahat. Papuri kay Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Lumalapit sa presensya mo, nagpupugay ang lahat. Papuri kay Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng oras, sa bawat araw, pinupuri at sinasamba. Come on, church! Ikaw ang tunay na Diyos, Hari ng mga hari, tapat kailanman, hindi nagbabago. Ikaw ang tunay na Diyos, Hari ng mga hari, tapat kailanman, hindi nagbabago. Si Yahweh ang ating Diyos. Umaawi, nagpupuri, diriwa ang lahat. Papuri kay Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Lumalapit sa presensya mo, nagpupugay ang lahat.
Community Church, ipapabot kami ng pasasalamat ni Sir Deo, Team Batya, and also would like to congratulate para sa kanilang anniversary. Happy anniversary, Team Batya. May God bless you always. Thank you so much.